If Meccha Chameleon keeps crashing with that exception access violation error, one launch option fixes it in under a minute. No reinstalling the game, no drive rollback, no BIOS flash. Open Steam, then right-click Meccha Chameleon in your library, and click Properties. On the General tab, find the Launch Options box, type -DX11 into it. That forces DirectX 11. The DirectX 12 renderer is what's crashing. Close the window, and launch the game. It loads straight to the main menu, no crash. If it still crashes, your PC has 2 graphics cards. Common on gaming laptops, right-click Start, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You'll see both cards. Heads up, disabling one flickers your screen black for a second as the display switches, which is normal. Right-click the card you're not using, and choose Disable Device. The game only needs one active GPU. Keep your more powerful card enabled so your frame rate doesn't tank. Once you do that, Meccha Chameleon runs a full match without the access violation crash. If this helped, let me know in the comments below.